Same signs add, bigger sign wins. Different signs subtract, bigger sign wins.
When you see a plus and a plus, don't fret. Just add them together, it's as easy as it gets. When the signs are the same, the rule is clear. Keep the sign and sum, there's nothing to fear.
Same signs add, bigger sign wins. Different signs subtract, bigger sign wins.
When you see a plus and a minus, don't you pause. Subtract the smaller the number, it's the math law. Look at the bigger number sign, you see? That's the sign of your answer, as clear as can be.
Same signs add, bigger sign wins. Different signs subtract, bigger sign
When you
wins.
see a plus and a minus, don't you pause. Subtract the smaller the number, it's the math law. Look at the bigger number sign, you see? That's the sign of your answer, as clear as can be.
Same signs add, bigger sign wins. Different signs subtract, bigger sign wins.
And your rules are cool and fun. Follow them right, and you'll be number one. Practice makes perfect, so sing along. With these simple rules, you can't go wrong.
Okay, I'm sure you heard the song. It says same signs add, bigger sign wins, different signs subtract, and the bigger sign wins. Well, here we have same signs, -1, -4. So those are same signs, so they're going to add. So we'll get 5. Then the bigger sign wins, which is 4. 4 has a negative, so the answer will have a negative. Here we have a -1 and a +4. Those are different signs, so they're going to subtract. So 4 take away 1 is 3. And the bigger sign wins. The 4 is the bigger sign, so that's going to be +3. Here we have a +1 and a +4. Even though you don't see a sign on the 1, if there's no sign, we assume that's positive. So no sign is assumed positive. So +1 and +4 are same signs, so we're going to add. We get 5. And the bigger sign wins, which is from the 4. We have a positive. Even if I don't put the positive on the 5, it'll still be positive because, again, no sign still means positive. Here we have a +1 and a -4. Those are different signs, so they're going to subtract. So 1 take away 4 is going to be 3. Or 4 take away 1 is going to be 3. The bigger sign, which is 4, has a negative, so the answer has a negative. Here we have -5 and -4. Those are same signs, so they're going to add together. So 5 and 4 adds up to a 9. The bigger sign wins, so 5 is the bigger, and it has a negative, so the answer is going to be a negative. Here we have a -5, a +4. Those are different signs. Different signs are going to subtract, so 5 take away 4 is 1. The bigger sign wins, the 5 is the bigger, so it's negative, so the answer is going to be negative. Here, +5 and +4, those are same signs. Same signs are going to add up, or add, gives you 9. Bigger sign wins, so 5 is bigger, has no sign, which means positive. So if I don't put a sign here, it'll mean +9, so that's good. Here we have a +5 and a -4. These are different signs, so different signs are going to subtract. The bigger sign will win, which will be 5, which is positive, so we'll leave no sign on the 1, which means it's positive. Here we have different signs, -8 and a +8. So different signs are going to subtract. So 8 take away 8 is 0. Now 0 doesn't have a sign because positive means above 0, negative means below 0, and 0 can't be above itself or below itself. That's why it has no sign. Here, the same signs will be a -8 and -2. So those two we're going to add. So same signs will add, and we'll get a 8 + 2, which is 10. The bigger sign wins, which is the 8. So 8 has a negative, so the 10 has a negative. The +9 we'll just put here, and we'll go to our next step. So now we have different signs, -10 and a +9. So different signs are going to subtract, so we'll get 1. The bigger sign wins, which is the 10, has a negative, so the answer will have a negative. And here in the last problem, we'll look for same signs. So we have a +9 and a +2. Same signs are going to add. So we're going to get an 11. The 11 will be positive. Just, oh, here I put it there. So you know that's positive. And the -8 comes down. Now we have different signs, a +11 and -8. So different signs are going to subtract, so we'll get 3. The bigger sign always wins, which is with the 11. So that'll be a positive 3, and we'll leave the sign off.
Same signs, add bigger sign wins. Different signs, subtract bigger sign
When you
wins.
see those integers in a line, remember the rules and you'll do just fine.
Same signs, add bigger sign wins. Different signs, subtract the bigger sign wins. Same signs, add bigger sign wins. Different signs, subtract bigger sign wins.
Math is simple, math is neat. With these rules, you'll never miss a beat.